The key is to select colors that complement your style and the occasion. Creating stunning nail art requires practice, patience, and attention to detail. Start with clean, well-groomed nails. Trim and shape them to your designed length and style. Don't be discouraged if your first attempt aren't perfect. Nail art is an art form and improvement comes with patience. Don't be afraid to try new techniques and color combinations. Experimenting with different colors and patterns can lead to unique and stunning nail art designs. Precision is key in nail art. Take your time when applying nail polish and creating intricate designs. Gorgeous nail art is a testament to the creativity and artistry that can be achieved on the canvas of your nails. From timeless classics like the French manicure to contemporary trends like ombre and geometric patterns, nail art offers endless possibilities to express your style and personality. Before you start with any nail art, it's crucial to prepare your nails. Begin by cleaning them thoroughly. Trim, shape, and file your nails to your desired length and shape. Push back your cuticles and use a buffer to smooth the nail surface. Apply a base coat to protect your natural nails and create a smooth canvas for your nail art. Gradient nails create a beautiful ombre effect. To achieve this look, follow these steps. Apply a light base color and allow it to dry completely. Use a makeup sponge and apply a slightly darker color to the tip of your nail. Gently tap the sponge onto your nail to blend the colors together. Repeat this process for all your nails and finish with a clear top coat for a polished look.